It's raining very hard. Good thing we're in this nice truck. Hey, who's that walking there? Oh my god, with this storm. That looks like that. Jummy teacher. Should I stop and ask her if she wants to ride? She's really attractive. She's very cute. I see. Hey, teacher. Do you need a ride? Like, it's raining very hard. What happened to your car? It broke down on you? You left it at the parking lot at school? They're gonna come and get it tomorrow? I don't think you're gonna find a taxi right now. I mean, look at the storm. Just get on, I will drop you out in your house, don't worry. I'm pretty sure, come on. Well, the truck's kinda high for you? Yeah, I'll help you get on it. Yeah, it's nice. I love my truck. I could love you too. No, nothing. Well, let's go. Ready? Yeah, I love the motor of it. It's a 4x4. Yeah, I love it. Look at the storm. I know it stops and it continues on. Where do you live at? What's close to here? Okay, cool. We're almost here. Okay, I think we made it to your apartment. What's it called? Okay, I'll put it that way. I take you close to it. Which one is your parking spot? Okay. Don't worry, I'll get you get off. I'll help you climb off. Damn, it's raining very bad. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Well, you're safe at home, so I'll see you tomorrow in class. No, don't worry. If I would like to drink a coffee, sounds like a good plan. Are you sure I'm not like bothering you or anything? No? Okay. Well, thank you. Yeah, I would love a coffee. Yeah, it got very cold. Well, these storms. Raining so hard. I like a spoon of sugar. Yeah, no, just have a spoon of sugar. I will be good with that. Okay. Do you need help? I don't mind helping you. Now that I already did enough by bringing you, it's nothing. I mean, I, I wouldn't like to be walking in the store and then no one will offer me a ride, right? It even rhyme. um, yeah. Oh, I see you love coffee. I'm not that much of a coffee person, but right now it sounds good. Cause I mean, drinking anything with you sounds good. Um, well, yes, cause I always see you like you're my teacher and talking to your other schools like nice. Thank you. It's very good. Your coffee and you. I mean, your coffee in your apartment they look very nice. I mean, the coffee is very good and you're very delicious. I mean, you're very nice. Um, that why I'm so nervous? No, I'm not nervous. Mm, um, no, the only homework I got is the one from your class. Yeah, my other teachers didn't give us homework this time. So I'm good. I'll go home and just do your homework and turn it in tomorrow. No, I didn't have any plans with my friends. That you thought that I had a plan with my girlfriend? No. I mean, not during the week. Oh yeah, today is Friday. I forgot about that. But no, anyways, nothing important. It's nicer to be here drinking a coffee with my favorite teacher. Of course, um, you know what? Mm, yeah, I never. Yeah, you're my favorite teacher. I love your class assignments and all that stuff. Your subjects, like my favorite one, I love history. For real. Um, that what I like to do. What you mean, like my hobby times? Um, I like to play soccer. I like to go to the gym. Mm, what else I like? I like hiking. Obviously, I love to go off roading in my truck and stuff. Mm-hmm. Why you never been off roading? I cannot believe it. I mean, yeah, I would love to take you. Of course. I bet you're gonna have a good time. Like we're going up and down those and the 4x4 and those mountains and stuff. You had some very good mountains. No, nothing, teacher. Nothing, Mrs. That I don't have to call you Mrs. That we're at your. I mean that we already crossed the line. That I'm already inside your apartment drinking a coffee with you. That this is not right. Well, I mean I don't see nothing wrong in it. I just offered you a ride because you were walking in the middle of the storm. And I didn't want to leave you right there and looking at you all soaking wet. I mean, who would I be if I left you like that? Why do you mean that I always leave you wet? Oh, my God. That You know what I'm talking about? No, I don't. Mm, are you serious? And if you what? Why? You think about me when you're here after class or what? When you come home? Oh my god, that's actually kind of surprising and I mean, nice to hear that. That you always see how I look at you and stuff, and that it seems like I'm always checking you out. Well, to be honest with you, yes. Since I first walked into your class, I thought I had the most beautiful teacher in the story. Well, yeah, I mean, that you noticed that I did look at you like in that kind of. Now you're making me feel shy because I didn't know that you knew how I look at you, that I wasn't looking at you, that I'm always checking you out. That I never, I told you not, not any notes in your table. Well, because I thought you were going to say no, because who's going to pay attention to a student like me? I mean, come on, you're like, what? How old are you? Like 30? That you're 35? Oh, see, I'm 18. I never thought that you were going to look at me. That I'm wrong, that since I walked in, you thought I was cute. Well, I always thought you were the most gorgeous teacher, the most beautiful missus. That now that I saved you from you getting wet, that you want to see how I get you wet down there. Are you serious? Of course, I would love to see how wet are you. Of course, I will follow you to your bedroom. You have a very big bed, and we could do some delicious things. Of course, I will let my beautiful, gorgeous teacher teach me the secrets of her bed. You know what? I was always right. You're gonna be the best teacher ever. And I will be your best student. I could promise you that. let's let's begin with this. Of course, this is gonna be our secret.